Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is your love reading. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and your ascendant. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Aquarians. What are your energies, Aquarians? So on your side we have the Magician, okay? The moon also popped up, maybe a new beginning. I don't have the clarity perhaps. Anyway, so let's see what's on your person's side, Aquarians. Person you are dealing with, energies of the person you are dealing with, the King of Cups, okay? It's the most likely outcome. The most likely outcome in this situation for Aquarians, the Temperance, okay? So definitely on your side we have the Magician, wanting a new beginning, trying to manifest it. You know you can't do it. Definitely a very confident energy. It's coming off as a very confident energy that you want a new beginning here, and you know that you can do it. As far as your person is concerned, we have the King of Cups. So this person is really very emotional, lot of emotions, even if they show it or not. But then yes, they have a lot of emotions running deep. As far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Temperance. So some sort of a moderation or balance is or patience is needs to be called for in this relationship. So let's see, let's clarify this Magician. Why is this Magician here? So for the Magician we have the Two of Swords, the Devil, the Nine of Wands, and the Eight of Cups, okay? And the Magician once more, okay? Let's see, why is this King of Cups here? Let's explore and clarify this King of Cups. So for the King of Cups we have the Five of Wands, the King of Swords, the Three of Wands, the Hangman, the Hangman, and the Seven of Pentacles, okay? Okay, so let's clarify this Temperance. Let's clarify this Temperance as the most likely outcome. So for the Temperance we have the Seven of Cups, the Ten of Swords, the Six of Wands, okay, and the Ten of Pentacles. So you are wanting a new beginning here. You are trying to make up your mind, trying to take a decision here, really at crossroads, really confused as to what to do. Definitely you are working on wanting a new beginning. You really want, because with the Devil here, there is something which you've been waiting for since a long time, okay? There is a decision needs to be made. It is getting very toxic for you actually. See, it's coming off as a very toxic energy, and it's there since a long time, and you want to leave it. There is a decision which needs to be made regarding a situation which is getting on your nerves. It's getting toxic since a long time, and you just want to leave it, and you want a new beginning. Basically that's what it is, okay? Since it is really getting on your nerves, it's been a long time, you are in that situation and you want to get rid of it, and you are ready to leave it, and you want a new beginning. As far as this King of Cups is concerned, on your person's side we have the Five of Wands, the King of Swords, Three of Wands, the Hangman, and the Seven of Pentacles. So definitely there has been some sort of an argument or a fight over here. Something has happened, some dispute here, because of which I think you people are not talking, or maybe there is a very straightforward and a minimal communication. Somebody is ready to leave this situation. That's what I feel. I think both of you sort of at least wanting to leave the situation, and the situation, there is a lot of stagnation here. So the toxicity is there to be seen. There's a lot of stagnation over here. Maybe there are clashes, verbal fights, whatever it is. Somebody wants to let go of this situation, though they know, but I think maybe they are not getting an opportunity to move out of it, or maybe they are still giving it that last thought because they know that they're really invested in this situation. Okay, so though they are ready to move on, but maybe they are either not getting an opportunity, or maybe they are giving it a last thought because they know that they're really invested in the situation here. For the temperance, we have the 7 of cups, the 10 of swords, 6 of wands, and the 10 of pentacles. So what I feel here is there is a lot of confusion here with the 10 of swords. The confusion is definitely ending, and it is coming up with the 6 of wands and 10 of pentacles. So definitely a lot of celebrations, commitment, and stability. So what I feel here is that if this toxicity or whatever it is which is causing this problem is solved and moderation is achieved in this relationship, then I think things will be okay. And the confusion, whatever the confusion is, it will be sorted out, and you will get that happiness and happily ever after. But there is definitely a lot of there is something negative which is holding back this relationship here, and that needs to be moderated, and that needs to be solved actually. Message from this deck is focus on love. Number 24 may be of some significance for you. Focus on love. Look for good in everyone. So that is an additional message for you, Aquarians. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.